Castile soap is natural body soap and home cleaner. Castile soap is a great natural alternative to commercial soaps. Castile soap is an all-purpose soap that can be used for various purposes, ranging from cleaning wounds to cleaning your home. Here are the few different bodies and household cleaning uses of Castile soap. Use it as a toothpaste. Place a few drops on your already wet toothbrush and brush your teeth like usual. Use Castile soap as a 2-in-1 soap to clean your hair and body. Squirt some drops on a wet washcloth or into your wet hair and use them as usual to wash your body and hair. You do not need to add extra water to dilute it since the water in your shower is enough. Pet shampoo. Add a few drops of Castile soap to your wet pet's coat and give their fur a good rub. Then, rinse and dry your pet. If you want a milder shampoo, you can dilute 1 part of the soap with 3 parts of water. Use it as shower scrub. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of Castile liquid soap with 1/4 cup of baking soda. Refill your hand soap bottle with natural hand washing soap by mixing 1/4 cup of Castile soap with a 3/4 cup of water. Castile soap is gentler on your cloth and budget. To use Castile soap as a laundry detergent, mix 1/3 to half a cup of Castile soap to any large load. Then, add half a cup of vinegar to the rinse cycle. Floor cleaner. You can make a simple do-it-yourself natural mopping solution by mixing half a cup of Castile soap with 3 gallons of hot water. Castile soap is less expensive than ordinary dish soap and much gentler on your hands. Mixing 1 part of Castile soap to 10 parts of warm water can give you a great, natural dishwashing solution. You can also use Castile soap as an all-purpose cleaning spray by simply mixing 1/4 cup of the soap with 1 quart of warm water and putting them in a spray bottle. Castile soap is a multi-purpose soap that you can use as a natural, eco-friendly body wash and household cleaning solutions. To ensure you get the best quality Castile soap, be sure to only buy from a reputable brand in Singapore, such as the Blessed Soap.